Today, Ashwin's grandmother is telling Ashwin a story about our planet Earth. So, a long time ago, our Earth was covered with a lot of plants. There was greenery all around. Animals, human beings, and plants used to live happily together. Then one day, human beings discovered lighting up the fire and started using fire for making their food. They wanted to build houses, so they started cutting trees as they needed more space on the land. Soon the earth was covered with factories, buildings, vehicles on the road, and aeroplanes in the sky, and very few trees and animals. The earth, which was happy and green a few hundred years back, was now sad and covered with smoke. Earth was sad because of air pollution. Air pollution occurs when gases, dust, and smoke get into the air, making it dirty. Grandmother asks Ashwin, "Do you know what are the things that cause air pollution?" Burning of garbage, bursting crackers, smoke releasing through factories, cars, aeroplanes, etc. are a few causes of air pollution. Then one day, Sonia, a little girl from the city, saw how sad the earth has become. She wanted to make Earth happy again. So, she decided to do a few things which can reduce air pollution. She started using the cycle for going to places near her house and buses for traveling to places that were far away from her house. This way, she could reduce the pollution caused by vehicles. Next, she started planting more trees and asked her friends to do the same. Trees help in absorbing the carbon dioxide in the air. She asked her parents to switch off the car engine when they were waiting at a red light. Watching Sonia do all these things, people started doing the same. And this way, the earth was happy and green again. In the end, the grandmother says, if Sonia can do this, so can we. We can make the earth happy by doing these small things to stop air pollution.